You see we have the check engine light there, which will flash when attempting to drive. Check engine light here, and it's running really rough. I have an update on one of my minis. It's actually the Mini Countryman. It's been running great for a while now. I haven't had any issues with it until my way back on my way back home. It lost a lot of power and it feels like it's misfiring, and the check engine light is just flashing at me crazily. Luckily I was less than a mile away, so I ended up making it home. But yeah, the Countryman saga is back. It's getting up there in age. It's gonna be 10 years old now. It's got 114,000 miles on it. So it's at the point where I really need to start being a little more proactive in terms of the maintenance that I do on the car. Keep it running smoothly by changing parts out before they become an issue, before they break, things like that. But yeah, anyways, it's got a bit of a problem right now. So I need to bring it in here in this garage and diagnose it a little bit more. Today is the warmest day of the week. It's gonna be close to 40, so we're above freezing. So what I need to do is unplug the GP3 from the battery tender, get it started, get it warmed up, bring it outside and put it in the carport out there. I don't know if you can see, it's too bright, but put it in the carport with the Classic, and then bring the Countryman in here into the garage where I can kind of warm up the garage with a little heater and start to diagnose it a little bit more. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that process right now. You see we have the check engine light there, which will flash when attempting to drive. Check engine light here, and it's running really rough. I'm not sure if that's gonna come through in the video. Let me... Yeah. So I'm not sure if that's coming through in the video, but it's definitely running rough. I'm gonna shut this off. Let's go ahead and see if we can figure out what's going on. Starting with pulling in the OBD2 adapter. I'm using the OBD Link CX Bluetooth. We're gonna launch Beamer Link and see if we can see the error codes on there. So let's get started with that. We're going with Beamer Link for this one. It has found 12 errors. Let's take a look. Combustion misfire, combustion misfire, combustion misfire. So it's definitely a misfire. Just need to figure out what's the cause of the misfire. I think we'll start looking at the spark plugs and the coil packs first. Those are the easiest things to probably change, and they should probably be changed anyways. They're original to this car, I believe, so it's time for me to at least swap them. So, but yeah, let's go ahead and get started with taking a look and see if we can find more details underneath the hood. So I pulled the coil packs, checked out the spark plugs, and then as suspected, well, not suspected, but the Beamer Link app cylinder number 3 comes up a couple of times. So I started it without the coil pack in for number 3, and it seems to run exactly the same. So one would suspect that the coil pack or the spark plug for number 3 are bad. Now I could go into further detail in testing, like while pulling these packs while the car is running to see if it changes anything. But I'm not going to do that because, you know what, it's going to need new spark plugs anyway. So I've ordered a set of 4 new spark plugs and coil packs from outmotoring.com. And I'm going to install those when those come in a few days. So this is going to be a 2-parter video, hopefully no more than 2 parts. Hopefully we solve it within the next video. But yeah, that's what I've done so far. And that'll be my next steps for trying to resolve this issue with this Countryman, is installing new spark plugs, new coil packs, and seeing how it runs. So for now, I'm gonna have to leave you until next week. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And when you're out there driving and you see other minis, especially problematic ones like this one, don't forget to wave. All right, I'll catch you in the next one when hopefully we solve this.